Hey guys, currently I am on Pixart, and this is my new dog named Lobos, and his name also means wolves. And today I'm going to be telling you the story of how I got him. So we got him last week, Thursday, and before that, my parents were gone, and they saw this guy with some German shepherds, and they were thinking about getting a German Shepherd. And I've been hearing what they were saying, and one of them said that we might not get one. And when it was Thursday, um, my dad came up and he wanted one of us to go with him. And well, originally he wanted my brother to go with him, and my brother said that he was worn out. So, and on that same exact day, we were my brother and I were watching a video or something, or watching videos and stuff, and I was watching Exploring with Josh. Anyway, since my brother was worn out, I decided to go with my dad, and um we met up with the guy that had them. He was pretty nice, and I even got to see some of the family members of the German Shepherds. I saw the dad German Shepherd. He was huge. My dad originally wanted a girl or a female German Shepherd because usually not all German Shepherds, but not all male German German Shepherds grow big, but he just wanted a female one so it wouldn't grow as big. And so I really wanted a dark or black German Shepherd, but they didn't have like a female one that was dark or anything. Some of them were like a brown, but like didn't have black or something or anything like that. I think they possibly had like the female ones. They didn't have any dark female ones, but they were like brown and possibly white, I think. Um, and the dad German Shepherd, he was very big. Um, yeah, and so I chose Lobos. And when we were picking out names, it was really hard to figure out a name. And names that I wanted to call him were King, Lamar, and Archer. Um, but my brother, he didn't like any of those names. Some names that he wanted to call Lobos was Ralph, Moose, and Crow. And I don't mind those names, but I wouldn't want to call him that. So, or there was any of the, or none of the, I wouldn't call him any of those names. And yeah, so I put a few pictures on Pixart of my new dog. Oh, I forgot to say, and that's why we sticked with Lobo, because it was hard, and my dad ended up um texting the guy, and that's how we found out that his name was Lobos, and so we stick to it. Anyway, yes, I put some pictures on Pixart, and so if you go on Pixart.com, you will be able to see them. And if you want to follow me on Pixart, you have to have your own account to follow me. Currently, I have 486 followers. Took me a while to get that. So, and I even put some two videos of some pictures of my dog on TikTok. You can follow me on there if you want to. I'm Cool Gaming Wolf on there. Just so you know, if you do follow me on TikTok, I don't really upload that much on there because a lot of times I'm busy and I do have ideas but don't have time to do them. And so yeah. So now I'm gonna be showing you I only have 3 photos. This is my third picture right here of my dog. And this is actually the first picture I took on my phone, but it didn't have new dog on it. I added that when I was on Pixart. Um, on Pixart, you if you do try and find me, you can either go on the website or the app, and yeah. Um, let's see the other photos. This is a photo when he's in the cage. He licks me a lot. We do have toys for him. These are a few of the toys in the picture, and his favorite toy is this corn on a cob thing. Um, and his age is 4 months, and usually that is like a puppy or something, but he's a big puppy. And yeah, and now I'm going to be showing you more photos. So, yeah.